Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Evelina Bondarenko, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how, when I'm wearing my hair natural every day, just how I put different styles in it just to try to get more days in between wash days. I know getting your hair wet every single day is just not good with just natural wear and tear of that, so I try to have 4 to 5 days, even sometimes to a week in between my wash days. So this video is just going to be showing you guys like me waking up, assessing the situation with my hair, and doing different styles, refreshing and stuff like that. So if you have maybe similar hair to me and this might help you in any way, don't forget to like, comment down below. Let me know what you guys do want to see. This is my day one, and I'm just gonna wear my hair how it is on my day one. I just washed it this morning. If you guys do want to see a video on my curly hair routine, comment down below if that is something you're interested in. So every night I'm going to be sleeping in a silk bonnet just to protect my hair. I still do get frizz and bedhead, but I find that it does help a lot more. So if you can get your hands on one of those, it's gonna help a lot. So this is day one, just keeping it like this. See you guys tomorrow morning. Hey loves, it's the next morning. I know I'm looking crazy, but I'm getting ready for work. Still have my robe on. But I haven't seen my hair under this yet, so we're just gonna see what's going on under there. Oh, beautiful. Oh, okay. Not bad, not bad. Loosen her up a little bit. Honestly, it's only day two. I'm going to add maybe, yes, there are some wonky curls. I'm just gonna add some of my Miracle Curl Defining Oil by Aussie. Just like a tiny bit, like pea-sized amount. And I'm just gonna glaze this over my hair. The ends. Be gentle. And little scrunch. And honestly, guys, that's it. This is day two only, so I'm honestly not that worried. Maybe I'll just get this piece wet again because it's wonky. Just that one piece. Just gonna finger coil her or something. Just wrapped around my finger. So, finger coiled. There you go. I'm gonna let it dry. So, my hair's dry. That one little piece that I got wet. So this is day two. There are some wonky pieces, but I honestly don't mind this at all. I would go out like this. I am going out like this. I'm going to work. Just remember, guys, that's the beautiful thing about naturally wavy or curly hair. It's never gonna look the same. It's not gonna be perfectly uniform. It's not like we're using a curler on our hair, guys. So this is my day two, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's day three. We can work with it. I look crazy. I'm gonna try to do a half up, half down. So let me clip my bangs just because they are gonna be framing pieces and I'm gonna have to fix them. I'm taking a hair tie. This is like a really like loose, it's not like, it's the kind that like you can literally fold open. It's not, I don't think it's hard on your hair. I think they're fine to use, but you know, I may be wrong. Okay, let's do that. So there's that. And then on to fixing this. As you guys can see, I kind of help individual pieces rather than getting my whole head wet. So I don't know why, I am brushing it, y'all, but I got it wet, so don't worry about it. Take my diamond brush, roll her up in there like so, and then a little release moment. And just scrunch her, encourage her, and there you go. I'm gonna let that dry as is. And finally, my bangs. Same thing with my bangs. I got them wet. Now I'm gonna brush them. Take my diamond brush and twirl away from my face. So all the way up to the root, since it's a shorter piece of hair, and I can kind of just do that. Same on this side. Let the curls down. Gonna let this dry, and I'll be back when I'm all done getting ready. So this is my hair today. Okay guys, I'm aware that my hair looks crazy today, and this is gonna be my last, this is day 4. I'm gonna wash it tomorrow, day 5. So what I'm gonna do today, I wanna do a low pulled back bun. Just collect all my hair. If you guys hear noises, I have construction happening near where I live, and there's like dump trucks driving past my house every 2 minutes. So I'm just gonna wrap that once, and I let some hair like floof out the top of the bun, which you can just fix to however you want. Honestly, doesn't matter that much, but I got this cute little headband from my sister-in-law. I don't know where she got it. Leave any hair out. Can leave this piece. I mean, it doesn't look too terrible. Can leave this 2 pieces of hair out and then tuck the rest back in. Okay. So this is day 4. I'm not mad at this. I think this is actually really cute. I'm gonna put in some earrings just to like spice it up. Okay guys, this is today's final look. Low bun with a headband. I find jewelry really adds to the look, and accessories. So find ways to do that, I guess. I could have gotten more days out of this wash if I really wanted to, but I do have plans tomorrow that I wanted to have fresh hair for anyways. I really don't mind this being my last day. I'm planning on washing it tomorrow morning. So this is where we're at. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful in any way, or if you want to see more videos like this, maybe more curly hairstyles, just comment down below, subscribe, and I will be trying to upload more. So well, we'll see how it goes, but thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.